Hello there, this is Finn Fournier. Here's for Mass Effect 2007. I have only a 1 out of 3 certainty that this is actually recording because I forgot to start Steam first and had to close all the stinking windows to get that going. So yeah, it's usually like, get the screen recorder up, then press start on the game, then wait for it to do the pop-up saying, "Are you sure you want to let this app start?" And then wait for the other thing with the logo to pop up before pressing start recording, and then all the other stuff here, but yeah. Okay, so Newton and the Kepler Verge. This is where we're at, the Kepler Verge and Newton. So, alright, first planet from the starter, Newton, is Ontarom. Yay, it's one we can land on. Though Omnirom's surface is uncomfortably hot, its nitrogen, oxygen atmosphere, and abundant shallow seas make it an ideal candidate for habitation by most known species. Unfortunately, the orbit of the moon Thonal has been slowly decaying since the system coalesced. Its proximity is beginning to have tidal effects, and its dynamo-like revolution through Ontarom's magnetic field is generating increasingly powerful electric storms. Well, it's generating increasing powerful? Okay, whatever. While some have suggested emplacement of Mass Effect drives in an attempt to lighten the moon and correct its orbit, the scale of such a project, tens of thousands of drives costing enough to bankrupt the governments of all the Citadel factions, make it a pipe dream. The multi-faction effort is underway to catalog and preserve the unique genetic diversity of Ontarom's vibrant young biosphere. Exogenic Corp and Heiwan Genomics represent the Alliance share of the effort. Orbital period 1.2 Earth years, radius 6,443 kilometers, day length 39.1 hours, Earth hours particularly. Atmospheric pressure, what other types of hours would you have? Earth years, I can understand. Hours is kind of just arbitrary. Anyway, whatever. Atmospheric pressure 0.79 Earth atmospheres. And surface temperature 58 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.82. So we can land there. I'll get back to it. But yeah, Clin-Corey. Welcome to Space Ireland. Anyway, Clin-Corey is a rock and ice planet with an atmosphere composed of chlorine and argon. The frozen surface is mainly composed of potassium and deposits of iron. Clin-Corey is famously claimed as the eccentric Volus billionaires, claimed by the eccentric Volus billionaire Kumun Shoal. He claims that a vision of a higher being told him to seek on Clin-Corey the lost crypts of beings of light. These entities were supposedly created at the dawn of time to protect organic life from synthetic machine devils. Yeah, that sounds about right in this universe of the game. Shoal has been excavating on Clin-Corey's toxic surface for 2 decades at great expense. No government has valued the world enough to evict his small army of mercenaries. Orbital period 20.6 Earth years, radius 7,677 kilometers, day length 18.3 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 1.01 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature negative 109 Celsius, surface gravity 0.82 G. And let's see here. There's another one here, Junkro. I think I've read this one before. Junkro is a hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of chlorine and sodium in its upper atmosphere. Like Uranus and the solar system, it is tipped on its side, its north pole facing the star Newton. Orbital period 60.0 Earth years, radius 66,642 kilometers. You had to add the number, okay, whatever. 16.8 Earth hours, day length. Alrighty then, and the Saturn-like world here is Seismos, whatever, is an ice dwarf world. Its surface is composed almost entirely of frozen water. Normally, a planetoid of this small would not rate inclusion on the system's charts, but Seismos' unusually large and beautiful ring of ice crystals has made it a popular subject for visual artists. The ring is a result of a glancing equatorial impact which left a large trench and threw a great deal of melted water into the atmosphere. Or into orbit, you'd say? Right? I don't know. The rings are a temporary feature that will completely decay within a few thousand years. Orbital period, 272.2 Earth years. Radius, 3,111 kilometers. Day length, 23.9 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 0.00 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature, negative 188 Celsius. Surface gravity, 0.09 G. Stop for a moment. My computer froze when the mouse didn't move right. Okay, so on to ROM. I don't remember if I've been here already, but let's go here now. And this will be posting on June 30th. Today my ex-wife completed the divorce without my being there. Without my signing anything. But whatever though. The joy. So much joy. That was 10 years ago as of the posting of this. It's still 9 years and change so far. But yeah, super fun. We could have celebrated our 5th wedding anniversary the year she abandoned me. Whoop-de-doo. Yay. Anyway, Turian wreckage we've been to already. Debris and underground facility. Looks like we've been to all those places because they have names. So let's go this way instead and see if there's anything along that edge. Or I might go to them and see if there's anything I couldn't decrypt last time because of having skill things too low or whatever. Which I have everything maxed out now, so it should be easy enough, except for, well, hard decryption still a way too flooded game of Frogger. Circular Frogger in space. But yeah, let's keep on driving and see what else could be here. In case anything is just randomly elsewhere. I have all the minerals though, so I don't really need to gather minerals, but... And all the insignia and all the medallions, all those things I've gathered already. So I don't know what else there could be, but there could always be something. So I might as well see what there is, to some degree, unless I get tired of driving the Mako, which it doesn't seem that difficult right now while we're on the green paths. Those have the highest traction, so it's not just slipping on the mountainsides as much anyway. Oh look, there's a mineral over to the left. I should probably go and get it before Joker starts complaining that we're going off the edge of the map. But let's get to this green hill ridge thing before the whining starts. See if this will actually be useful like I think it should be. Here we go with it not being traction enough. Come on. Come on. Ah, the joy. So much joy. I will be returning to the Normandy soon. Oh look, this is the Windows XP start screen. Just about. Or, you know, the default wallpaper, it looks like a little bit anyway. Crunch, there goes the right front wheel. Again. Oh my word. I hate this thing. So much fun driving this in quotation marks. Oh, there's the shady cow things. I think that's where these are. But yeah, one of them's the shady cow, right? And they'll steal credits from you if you look away from them. And you can get them back by destroying them, I think, in the game here. So let's get the gold deposit surveyed. There we go, yay, heavy metal thing. And let's see if there's... okay. Talk. Are you able to talk? Nope, they do nothing. But yeah, they're the creepy things.
Ready whenever you are.
Say the word.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. I don't know. And let's just get out of here. So that's Enteram with the shady cows that can pickpocket if one of them can anyway. That's what I saw in a Things You Might Have Missed video by Fishy or something with a Fishy with a Z. Anyway, that's Enteram. So next time we'll go to whatever's next in the system. Saving now, even though it didn't really do anything, but still. Always a good practice to save early, save often. Anyway, game over, man, game over. But yeah, that's System Newton and that, what was it? Anyway, I'll figure it out. Take care, and try not to go crazy.